Good Monday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your weather podcast for this February the 1st. It's already February. Did we have Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's? Does anybody else feel like that was just a blur? I mean, I told my wife yesterday, I said, did we have Christmas? I don't remember Thanksgiving. I mean, it's just like snap and it's gone. And here we are already into the second month of 2016. It's just unbelievable how fast time is flying. But anyway, we do have still that threat for severe weather coming on Tuesday, which is Groundhog Day. I don't know if that has anything to do with it necessarily. Old Punxsutawney Phil will still be up in Pennsylvania waiting to either see his shadow or not. Either way, I tell people, either way, if he does or doesn't, it's still 6 more weeks until spring. You still have 6 more weeks of winter. It doesn't change whether he sees his shadow or not, but, it's an old tradition and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, record high yesterday and Sunday for Bowling Green, 72 degrees. Actually, it tied the record for the day, 72, set back in just 2002. Last time we had a temperature that warm on January 31st, and that happened at 2:30 Sunday afternoon at the Bowling Green Airport. That is 26 degrees higher than average. 46 is our average high. 54 was our low temperature. 27 is the average temperature, so that low temperature was 27 degrees above average. Felt good, though. Saturday was a great day, too. The wife and I got out, went to Land Between the Lakes, ate at Patty's Restaurant. Man, I tell you what, that flour pot bread with that strawberry cream butter, oh my goodness. If you have not been to Patty's Restaurant in Grand Rivers, I'll be glad to give you directions. Whew, buddy. Oh, and they're decorating for spring. It's just a great place to go. As far as a year ago, we had a high of 45 and a low of 20 back in 2015. Just before midnight, we picked up 0.02 of an inch of rain at the Bowling Green Airport, so that's the final total for the month of January. It's since it was the last day of January, technically. We ended the month at 1.81. We should be at 3.61. So we were an inch and 0.8 below average on rainfall or precipitation for the month of January, even though we had that big foot or more snow a couple of weeks ago, a week or two ago. And some of those little snow piles are still around even this morning, even though it's rained overnight. We're going to see more rain showers this morning, but they'll be slowly dissipating as we go through the day. 60% chance of scattered showers, mainly this morning, and then skies will become partly sunny later today. We've got a cold front that is passing through the area right now, and temperatures are slightly cooler behind the front, but we're still going to call for a high in the upper 50s to around 60 with a northeast wind at 8. I still think we could see some recovery in temperature later today, and it was close to 60 this morning before the cold front. So near that will actually end up being our high temperature for the day. Tonight, increasing clouds, but mild. Overnight low at 46 as more southerly winds come in ahead of our very strong and very potent storm system that is right now in Southern California, moving into Arizona, New Mexico. And then it's going to make a track through the plains over the next 24 hours, bringing a lot of snow. And even for those folks that are up in Iowa today for the caucuses, what they call the Hawkeye Caucus, that takes place today, they will be on the heels of an incoming snowstorm in Iowa, so that may affect turnout today. But that same storm looks to bring us on the warmer side here, the potential for severe weather. But for tonight, we should be quiet. as far as any bad weather. And much of Tuesday will be a mix of clouds and sunshine, breezy and quite warm. We could be in record territory once again with a high of 71. But it does look like scattered showers, thunderstorms by late afternoon. And then tomorrow night, I think sometime after, say, 6 o'clock through midnight, is the better potential for the strong to possibly severe thunderstorms. We are under a risk for severe weather tomorrow night, 100% chance of thunderstorms, and a low of 48. South winds 20 to 40 miles per hour. The primary threat for us, anyway, with this system, looks to be the potential for damaging straight-line winds, but we cannot rule out the possibility there could be a few tornadoes, especially further south. You go into Tennessee and Alabama, maybe parts of Mississippi. That's where the better potential is going to be, further south and west. Some flooding, rains, lightning, all of that coming in tomorrow night. And today looks like that potential, we're pretty confident, moderate to high confidence that this is all going to play out by tomorrow night. Now, we should clear out pretty quickly for Wednesday. Mostly sunny, cooler, high of 48, but temperatures will be falling down to 30 by Wednesday night. Thursday, mostly sunny, a chilly 42. Friday, mostly sunny, around 49 to 50, maybe 50 on Saturday with a few clouds and sunshine, 48 by Sunday, which is coming up the 7th here, Sunday the 7th, 48 and mostly sunny. So tranquil weather after we get through that storm system for Tuesday, but the potential is there for severe thunderstorms. So stay connected here, and we will keep you up to date and give you, of course, as we always do, full coverage with the entire First Alert storm team if needed, depending on the severity of the situation. In the meantime, have yourselves a great Monday. Watch out for the showers and a lot of standing water around the area this morning. Thank you for listening. As always, God bless. Know the weather before it knows you. I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, 11 a.m. on midday, streaming live to the WBKO app and WBKO.com. Later today, join me for my radio show, Classic Hits, Sam 100.7. In the 5 o'clock hour, I'll have a live interview with Marilyn McCoo and Billy Davis Jr. They are coming to SkyPack this Saturday, and I'm going to give somebody a nice prize pack. Later today, around the 5 o'clock hour, you can hear that interview, and somebody's going to win a nice prize pack with tickets, photo op, and all kinds of neat stuff with Marilyn McCoo and Billy Davis Jr. They're going to be singing their greatest hits and the hits that they had as part of the Fifth Dimension. If you didn't know, that's how they started. They met, got married when they were part of the Fifth Dimension. So they'll be singing those songs as well. That's later today, 3 to 7, Classic Hits, Sam 100.7. Have a great day.